I was been back in action and on the sidelines of DEFCON August in Lucknow, and I have Team Hackon, Team Ninja with me over here from Indore. We have Mayur, we have Yogesh, we have Sadhna. So they're going to be introducing themselves and we're going to talk to them about Hackon, about Indore. Very, from my perspective, very small town, and we have a lot of activity and good activity happening in information security over there. So great stuff, and we don't know about that. Basic ground rule: we don't use company names. That's it. So yeah, okay, let's go. So tell me, guys, how did you guys start off Hackon in a place like Indore?
So basically Indore is a very small town and वहाँ पर कुछ bilingual चलेगा सर?
चले, yes, all goes, no worry.
Indore is a very small town and we have seen so many illegal activities. काफ़ी होती है वहाँ पर illegal activities, जैसे phone calls को लेके और user का भी डेटा उनका पैसा चुरा लिया जाता है. ऐसे काफ़ी सारे activities हम लोगों ने जो पेपर में पढ़ा. So we Team Ninja has come with the concept to arrange some national type of conferences जो कि specifically dedicated to information security. So me, myself, Yogesh, with Sadhna, has founded the team Hackon, जिसमें हम लोगों ने all over India and national international hackers का एक हम लोगों ने gathering किया. Our first chapter was in 2014 and on 2015 again we are coming back with the best or the terror concept of terrorist storm.
Yeah.
Again, the rise of digital terrorism, which is a really very severe threat to every nation's security, national security.
Okay, so great. So you guys are going to have a 2015 event which will be based on terrorism, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So that's a good idea. And you have any other guys supporting you, or it's like just you three of you who do it together?
Basically, we do have our sponsors. We are having a lot of sponsors, and we are having an enormous team behind there supporting us for every concept and activities. So.
Okay, good. So, Sadhna, I'll come back to you. But Mayur, you also do a lot of online posts, which I do know about that because I am a very keen follower of what you put up.
Okay.
And incidentally, I use your posts for my writing also.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Okay.
Basically, मेरा स्टार्टिंग से जब मैं इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा था 2012 में पास आउट हुआ, बी किया मैंने, बीटेक किया मैंने, और इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी मेरी स्टार्टिंग से मेरी पैशन था, बोल सकते हैं पैशन, जिसमें मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितने भी इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी के लोग हैं उनको जितना अप टू डेट कर सकूँ अपने तरीके से मैं करूँ.
Yeah.
और जितने भी नए जो यंगस्टर्स जो यंग हैं जनरेशन, उनको भी रियलिटी क्या है उन्हें मैं बता पाऊँ अपने तरीके से, हमारे बैकग्राउंड के उससे या टीम निंजा के उससे, तो मैं चीज़ें करते रहता हूँ.
That's good. So how many I'm sure you must be seeing the number of visits to your pages.
Yes, sir.
You're primarily posting on Facebook, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many hits or how many visits do you have over there?
Within a week, 10 to 15 average.
Okay, that's good. And of course, plus Dinesh.
Yes, sir.
That's nice. So, and like, how do you? What is your role in the Team Ninja and in the Hackon conference?
जैसे अगर मैं बात करूँ टीम निंजा में, तो टीम निंजा में मैं एज अ टेक्निकल ट्रेनर एंड सेंटर मैनेजर, एंड टीम हैकॉन मैं एज अ साथ में मिलके हम चीज़ें
Okay.
क्या नया क्या कर सकते हैं जिसके थ्रू नई चीज़ें हमें शो ऑफ कर सके और चीज़ें हम बता पाए कि क्या चीज़ें चल रही है लेटेस्ट.
So training, what trainings does Team Ninja do in that case?
ट्रेनिंग में हम स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस एंड कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग्स और कुछ सिक्योरिटी से रिलेटेड हम करते हैं.
Okay. Sadhna, coming to you. Women in security. Yeah. Okay, Sadhna, how does it feel to be one woman in a place like Indore And a security professional at that.
So sometimes I feel so proud. At
Yeah.
least I am in this profession. And as Yogesh sir put it the point, like we are conducting Hackathon 15, that is digital terrorism. Actually, in Indore, there is no awareness about technology. There is no awareness about security. So we are establishing in the Indore. That is a very tough part for us because they don't know about all these things.
Right.
In fact, they are not worrying about security. If we some of there is a lot of companies, big companies are there, and their data is so unsecure. We call them that your data is insecure, and what we got the reply, okay, leave it. We will make another website. So such
Yeah.
kind of response we got.
Right.
So this is the condition of Indore. So we are fighting all those things, like all such situations.
So does the police help you? Because I believe Indore has a very
They are helping us,
Yeah.
police, government, because they are having some knowledge or some
Yeah.
awareness. But still, there is a lack of knowledge of technology.
because Indore police, I am told there's some very good officers over there.
Yeah, definitely. In
Yeah.
fact, they have started about cybercrime. They have started their own some good seminars,
Yeah.
type things. So at least people can get aware and they can save
So,
their sense.
so last hackathon, what did you present any paper or were you just
We
busy
were
in the organizing?
We were the organizer and
You couldn't do that.
yeah.
Okay. But do you present any other conferences? Have you presented? No. So you just are a pen tester primarily, and you do trainings and all that also.
Yeah, definitely.
So what sort of
But-
trainings do you carry out?
Sorry?
What sort of trainings do you do? Do you do any trainings? आप करती हैं trainings?
So actually, I don't go for training at all.
But,
Totally,
but
my
she,
part is
but she can make
management.
presentations too.
I see. Okay.
Presentation seminars, she can manage very well.
Right.
She has given so many seminars on some technical colleges of law.
Uh-huh.
So it's quite good to see a lady
Right.
to give some presentations.
Good. So anyway, we are basically on the hackathon scene and not on women in security. I'll talk to you about that separately. So
But this year hackathon is going to implement on 4th of October.
4th of October.
Yeah, definitely.
That's good. So when you put it out, we'll also put it out for you on India Watch and the Viewpoint.
Sure.
This will anyway we put out over there, and I'll put out the dates also.
Sure.
And I'll put the dates also in in text also in that, so you'll be able to sing.
Yes, according to us, that this digital journalism is really sort of.
So what is the challenge you face over there? In terms of the event, any challenge which you face and which you would like community to help you?
Lack of awareness. The thing is that awareness नहीं है, लेकिन वो crime इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है कि लोग बहुत परेशान हो रहे हैं। लोगों के खातों से और लोगों को वही फेसबुक आईडी उनका हैक करके और उनका बैंक अकाउंट हैक करके उनसे भी पैसा निकाल लिया है। और वहाँ पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जो कि हमारे यहाँ बैंड ग्रुप्स हैं।
Right.
And they are using all those technologies to gather and try to make some plans.
Oh, okay. So when you are going to do this terror theme next year, this year,
This year.
in October. So do you have any particular people in mind you would like to call, or
Yes, specifically.
even if we don't take names, some areas from where you would like to call them?
Definitely, we are thinking that we should call some high-profile public servants who are into terrorism. Maybe our IG sir, Mr. Nirmal itself looks for ADS.
Yeah. Okay.
He's having some very good knowledge about terrorism.
I see.
And when it comes to digitalization, so I think that he will be very right to support us.
Okay.
And from certain, we are also thinking that from certain, we will call some professionals to put a light on
Okay.
terrorism.
So when you did hackathon last year, have you been able to notice any new people who are interested, or with the trainings which you do over there with the colleges in the Indore area? So have you seen any change, something positive happening?
Awareness तो हुई है सर, कौन सा awareness बहुत फैला है, and we have seen so many young guys who are very keen to join hackathon, and they're
But-
keen to join our team too.
But join Hackon team just for the sake of, you know, the charm of being a pen tester and a, you know.
Just to spread the awareness, just to spread the information security over Central India.
Okay. And what about the media? Has the media supported and are they continuing to support?
Yes, media support this too.
So both Hindi medium, Hindi media as well as English, both.
Times of India, North के जो भी local papers हैं,
Right. No, but that is a one-time support. Hackon happened those times, they came. After that, what about after that? Nothing. Newspaper, radio.
Radio,
So-
we have actually approached radio and we have put in some money and then that was just like an ad.
But that was-
It's only for limited time. Only for promotional activities.
एक्टिविटीज है उसके बाद तो
These
फिर
are the things which we are facing. Actually, there is just this.
Basically, there is no financial support from maybe you can say public.
No, financial support, to I don't think you will get from any public this thing. That is sponsorships only, which is everywhere, or you have to put your own money. So,
We are trying our best to definitely get information security in Central India.
right.
We are the only organization जो करने भी काम करता है, जो specifically dedicated is information security organization.
Right. So what about Bhopal, Raipur, those, they are not very far away from Gwalior.
They all are, they have a password, लेकिन I think that again, the lack of awareness, it's a
Oh,
big issue.
okay.
The whole MP, there is a.
Central India is again.
Right, right.
lack of awareness.
Okay. So great. I'll sort of close over here because we don't want to go, too much into this thing. I normally keep it to 4 or 5 minutes. So that's the thing. Is anyway, thanks a lot. Hackon, I do hope it sort of catches on and it becomes the central event for Central India. And I hope also that you guys get the support which you are looking for. Maybe somebody adopts Hackon or something like that. Otherwise, a few years, and I'm sure you guys will get success which you're looking for here. And good luck to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.